Whoa, 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 whoa. You are welcome. Today, I'm here again to make us know something. And what I'm talking about today is this mouth, our mouth. As he said, this mouth is an opening in a creation whereby food can be that can take in food, where we used to take in food. We can also use to breathe too, because there are some people they don't breathe through their nose, they breathe through their mouth, especially when they are having something like kata or common cold. This mouth also is made for us to talk. These are the reasons why God give us mouth. But some people, the way they use their mouth is they use it out of point, out of will. God said we should use this mouth. And they forget to know. As it is written in the book of Proverbs 21:20, it says, whosoever keep his mouth and his tongue keepeth his soul from trouble. Some people, the way they use their mouth, they use it that they put themselves into trouble. And the book of Proverbs 13:3 also makes us to know that he that keepeth his mouth keepeth his own life. This is Bible telling us that if you keep your mouth, you keep your life. Why is it that people, they don't know these things? Because the mouth is just open. They use it to talk like that. They can say all different type of nonsense. They can talk as if, for them, some people will tell you, are to talk, say, is it not my mouth? I pay my mouth. Yes, talking is free. Do you know that we don't pay anything to talk? And because we don't pay anything to talk, now people, they like talking with their mouth. They can say rubbish. They can do rubbish. They can just talk whatsoever they like. And the Bible makes us know, he that keepeth his mouth keepeth his soul. But he that openeth wide his lips shall have destruction. I will tell you this story about a lady. Because she feel our mouth is free to talk. One day she went out. He saw this first man, I just say police. They were making arrest. I know our Nigeria police now, when they are making arrest, don't just do tatafo. This woman, she thought she tatafo. She just went there. Hey, what is all this one? What happened? Why are you arresting? I said, madam, we are not here for you. He said, I pay me to go. That's what I do. We know where be police. What happened? She started insulting them. They said, okay, they now arrest her as a suspect. Do you know what that cost her? Because she's a witness. She know what happened. No, I don't know what happened. Now just call her. Okay, they say, madam, I know what happened. Follow us. They arrest her. They arrest her, take her to the station. The case, when they tried the case to court, because she did not know anything, you know what? It almost cost her life because she felt her mouth is for talking. Yes, so let us bridle our tongue. Let us mind the way we talk. Talking is free, but let us learn to use our mouth well. That's what I'm trying to tell us today. Some people, when they are somewhere, they will not talk today. At the moment they hear people say something, tatafo, your own too much. Take it easy. What you don't know, you come to social media and be saying it. What is not true, you just come to social media and be talking. Make una so free for Naija. Una tatafo want too much. Not be only una know how to use social media. Una here, tatafo people. Una do well.